Crying sa aka and the Reverend Obofo ama ne lawyers atro enkrata tenten e de akoma Nana Agrada na ne nemu ene say Reverend Obofo sue Nana Agrada for defamation. Etie for mesre and there your first time or ha subscribe na click the notification bell on so we understand latest news be about once ebeka. Make us a story we me see I think somewhere around last week. The reason why I didn't talk about this story and say I was waiting for confirmation because when him say Ghana there obon say assembly beba o de petre kwa koka na afei akwa ye nsem bebre. So I was waiting for confirmation and then I got confirmation minya eye enkrata na Reverend Obofo and the lawyers for no atro ama Nana Agrada no and Nana Agrada herself eba Tender TV. I think that's the name of a television station. Nana Agrada herself eba Tender TV. Emma ono Nana Agrada no wabe confirm say ne kre Reverend Obofo atro nkrata abrena ni nemu no Reverend Obofo ede no air court for defamation just because of nsem bia waka. Answer ne yebeba nsem ne support no yebetray ya adwen. Na let me let you guys know from last year this year no Reverend Obofo gave warning because social last year na nsem bebre efa Reverend Obofo ho last year there ne kre Reverend Obofo will blow ye owo ho na asem we aba na yakan we afa ne ho na yakan we nti this year mu na no Reverend Obofo ankasa ka say one tenase na nkrofo ensai wo no Reverend Obofo din this year wo si wo nim na wo de nsem bi forever no na enye ne kra wo be ma embra anyway di nti this year ye mu ankasa Reverend Obofo gave that warning. So personally I knew say some things like this would be going on. Earlier this year, some other kaya me mamotia say yeche embrantie bi ewo nungwa na some brantie no na bomo the Reverend Obofo din ewo social media di nkrofo sika. Eno nti yakwachi omo wo I think Junction Mall ni nemu Reverend Obofo wono na wobo aya wo ma yakwachi some brantie no nti wono there this year there bo say wonnim na wo the fan infantry wobema police for and now lawyers for anyway delay. Okay. Into your man said so what happened? Ediana Reverend Obofo and Ediana Nana Agrada yeah Reverend Obofo is no. So I'll speak from the perspective of Nana Agrada. Not to say ye niayate in semnasi ye. Na the mates no and say the suit I they are born for defamation no 50 billion. That's what I'm hearing. Nana Agrada herself didn't confirm it. But that is what I am hearing. As to the figure, I'll confirm later and bring it to you. But Nana Agrada just confirmed saying the Reverend Obofo ama na lawyer for atro and krata breno. And then we'll speak on insem no. You better say, senior Reverend Obofo issue Nana Agrada no. In our eyes no, is it fair that way? Not just say ye ni na ya try adwen because ya adwen try what you say Okay, insem so according to Nana Agrada. One, a ensem be miensa na Reverend Obofo e de abono. For what I know, ebetimi aba say enkrata ni mun kra na ensem no ye more than 3. But from what I heard from Nana Agrada, ensem no ye be miensa or more. Na assembly ni na say one. Wono Nana Agrada no. Ensem bia e call so e won na 2. Demon breaker ko kan ye efa Reverend Obofo ho no. Wono Nana Agrada ensan so edisi ni TV show so eka ho asem nti eno ho nti 1 yesu Nana Agrada munti asem ni ye na nsen abrante bi efe ni demon breaker e ba abontin be kansem kese okotena na 2 Kennedy Japan show ne so e kansem kese e fa Reverend Obofo ho. Nana Agrada also runs a TV show. Nana Agrada TV show no what she also does and say wofa ensem a e trend na wono nso discuss o wa adwentre bia no no nso de aka ho nti adwentre a wono Nana Agrada de kan ho no ono Nana Agrada na claim say enu hu nti 1 Reverend Obofo e de no call a court for defamation. 2 some oba kaya me mamoti ase earlier this year say papa bi osofo bi e ba bonten be ka say Reverend Obofo sebi wakwakosie eye nentwie wasanso every mbaye mu ade che se nsem hunan ana Ghana for Jesus asem ni dia me ba bonte meka ase he Ghana se ne yese nkrofu edin no mamunji ndio later I was vindicated in a sense say ani pakro na Ghana for agi ni di no wona nkasa ba bonte meka ase nsem a wo kan fa Reverend Obofo hu ni na na ye ntro samo kai sa asem no aha sa asem no yese na agrada esanso de kosi ni TV so kan edimeko spices shishem inti eno hunti Reverend Obofo drag no now lady bi nso ababonten na lady no woko nana hu ehi ewo I think next TV o seden wo ye show lady no wo se wo ben savior ye ni nim se savior nso efri wo bi nim ho ekọ Reverend Obofo ho na lady no wo ye obi a wo obi nim camp na lady no claim say savior eka tre no say Reverend Obofo ekọ high enkrofo say wo monko enkobo na agrada ena na agrada nso kasa fan ho eno hu nsi Reverend Obofo ACU no and so from na agrada's point of view no sansem a Reverend Obofo wo de ekọ court no engina asem a na agrada wo kan no wono nso be ma ne lawyers ayeden because isi ade akwakoda ne court nsem so no nso be ma ne lawyers ahwe nsem ni mu na de ono na agrada eka ene say in some way engina because in some way ni na yensem bia wono na agrada wan sha ase yensem bia nkrofo bi mom e na aka na aden na Reverend Obofo won sue san nkrofo ni mom ende wo ba be sue wono na agrada no. To be very frank with you, especially Demon Breaker there no, I was expecting Reverend Obofo to sue Netu or Demon Breaker. Demon Breaker ko kan sem fa Reverend Obofo ho me ba bonte me ka say san sem na Demon Breaker wo kan no me to me there or the na no fa na ka so I will not believe. Some be kaya I told you guys say Demon Breaker sem akese a wo kan fa Reverend Obofo ho enya enwumre wonda enya kire say wotina moto so sa wa hwe obi a wo ya badwen ba 7 previous a wo bi be kan sem wo ya will you even believe say ne ba ko na enwumre wonda no what na moto so sa no wo chinchin sa like seriously would you just say na Ghana for AGD I told you guys as someone na Demon Breaker I can me personally I don't believe it but you be bo mechi say Annie you are part of them you are supporting the fake pastors me say me won I don't care if the person is fake or not I don't care asemo a wo kan fa ne ho no eye ne kra me kan say eye ne kra asemo a wo kan fa ne pakro ne ho no enye ne kra Meka say enye ne kre ebi mo de once they've labeled the person as a fake pastor ninti ye kan say ma fa ne ho na nse no enye ne kre na because they've labeled the person as a fake pastor ninti by force one more person ye gitum say asem ne ye ne kre but I have told you guys say me personally that is not me whether the person is fake or not still ye de ne kre beto bebi e wo say ne kre no eda so these are the issues it's here for ensem ni nani o ensem ni nani se na agrada ekasa wono nso wodika I'll tell you this here na agrada show me I don't watch na agrada show menhwe but I have not watched na agrada show and you see if the agrada was just commenting or was just news reporting na eno me nya lawyer but the little knowledge I know and say enyo no na wo share ensem na say It's Ebia na agrada has a case in court. Ebia na agrada could win because Ghana has say you see the defamation ebowa it is very difficult for you to win unless say Ebia nipa kona semo a waka no eye serious wo dwe ho kra enye ye ba we no hu ne say efri baby e na aba e na agrada nso aye den asom e na wono nso kire na adwen so wono nso de big kan ho e ka say eye ne kre Reverend Obofo ye say me kra me hu say wo ye say me kra me hu say wo ye say a ene de Reverend Obofo is right to sue na agrada but ye ko hu ne say asemo na agrada kan ye no she was just adding say we and she was just news reporting say asemesi na eka na yemfa ne say ye ne kra de Reverend Obofo anya de say nya ne kra nso de a asemesi anya de a eno no metumi a trap pefein say case na yede ato na agrada so no engina e wo court because of what I have seen in this country court nsensem a aba a akoso So that is the story coming true. Now I don't know because Netu for Ankasa Emba Bontain, I have also not heard from Reverend Obofor's camp. But me Susu say, Naka Reverend Obofor per se was super Naka Netu any a year demon breaker. Naka Nana grad there, she's just secondary matter. But me Susu say, Reverend Obofor person Nana grad abe kanasem e woni TV station subium intia and about the lawsuit that's what I think. Montreal Wadwin our comment box ni mu ensem no bobo ba na the latest on this matter na me de bebremo that's it.